Hello and welcome.
Obie'z layer. Oh.
Today we're working on the Greenscreen bar. We finally got that built. That's about it.
Where this top of this window is, I'm gonna build a brace across there, and then from that brace it's gonna screw out with rubber stoppers, and then it's gonna hold a brace across that, and then on that brace we are gonna have
I'm gonna cut this
And
mount a piece of metal on it. Two, 6, 1, 16, 8 on 8. Shit, bud. Fucking flies. That should reinforce it. I'm pretty sure this should work really well. Shout out to my landlord for leaving this ladder out in the hallway. I finally got most of it built, so I built this bar. This bar has 2, 4, 6, 8 supports on it. It goes crossways up there, up in that corner. Then, this bar that I built the other day gets connected onto there, goes across the wall, and it has a metal support so I can hang this green screen down from the whole wall. Do you like my tool box?
It's very sexy.
And it's actually reasonably level. Just another day. Oh my god. Dual drills. It's probably a terrible idea, but funny. Up and away we go. And then it fucking comes down. Oh yeah, there we go.
So we're in this little quagmire where we got 10-foot piece of PVC pipe
We're jousting!
in which Obie is holding it while I drive.
We're jousting.
So here we go.
Here we go, we're jousting. I do not joust thee, sir!
That's fucking up. All that work. All that freaking work. Weeks of work.
Yeah, you're right. I should have another person, but
One person filming and another person to help you do all that stuff.
I know.
We're fucking level.
Bottom looks pretty good.
Yeah, look at that. Freaking all the way up. When you're using a ladder, make sure you take everything off the rungs. If you don't do that, and then your shit comes down and hits the ground or hits you in the head. Not real great. Yeah, it's fucking good. Alright, let's go.